Hey there! Want to grow fresh, healthy vegetables at home but don't have much space? No worries! Growing bok choy in pots is the perfect solution for small spaces. In this video, we'll show you step-by-step how to grow bok choy in containers, an easy method that's perfect for beginners or anyone gardening with limited space. Bok choy is a leafy green vegetable with crisp white stalks and dark green leaves. It's packed with nutrients, easy to grow, and matures quickly, in just 30 to 45 days. This makes it a great choice for beginners or anyone looking for an easy vegetable to grow in pots or containers. To successfully grow bok choy in pots, choose a container that's at least 6 inches deep with drainage holes. Use nutrient-rich, loose soil. If you want to give your bok choy a boost, add organic fertilizer or compost. Make sure your pot gets 4 to 6 hours of sunlight every day for the best bok choy growing conditions. Now it's time to plant your bok choy seedlings in pots. Gently place each seedling into the soil, about ½ an inch deep. Make sure to leave enough space between them so the plants can grow strong and healthy. After planting, water the soil gently to keep it evenly moist. Bok choy loves consistent moisture, so water regularly, but avoid overwatering. You can also mix a bit of sand into the soil to help with drainage. Make sure your plant gets enough sunlight to ensure a healthy growth rate. Consistent care is key to growing healthy bok choy in containers. Though grown in pots, bok choy can still attract pests like aphids or caterpillars. Check the leaves from below regularly to spot any insects early. If you notice pests, use organic pest control like neem oil. In about 4 to 6 weeks, your bok choy will be ready to harvest. You can either cut the entire plant at the base or pick the outer leaves and let the center continue growing. Either way, you'll enjoy fresh bok choy straight from your garden or pot. And that's it. Growing bok choy in pots is easy and rewarding. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy planting and enjoy your homegrown bok choy.